Looks like they're finishing up the pellets here. Flow meter's reading right where it should be. Everything looks good down here.
The flow rate is perfect. The new pump is working smoothly.
Base circumference is 92 millimeters. Curvature appears normal with no signs of wear.
Keep them coming, easy, easy.
52 alpha is good to go.
This facility represents the future of livestock management. Automated systems route each animal with precision, sorting fly workers on elevated walkways.
Pressure is holding steady. Temperature is holding at 95.
Each horn component is meticulously matched. We ensure consistent color, grain, and tone. Perimeters verify the precise match. Every set must meet our strict standards. Ready for assembly.
Here, precision meets luxury. Robotic arms hold each lightweight frame, ensuring absolute consistency, before technicians secure every joint by hand. Precision is paramount. Laser guides ensure perfect alignment. Heat and pressure complete the bond. Each stitch must align perfectly. Inside the booth, a precision mist coats the horn material. Every movement is monitored to ensure absolute consistency. The result is a flawless, protective shine that defines luxury.
Every bag undergoes meticulous inspection. Stitching, hardware, and alignment are checked. Results are logged in real time. Only the perfect receive an authentication tag. Each handbag is meticulously checked. All results are logged in real time. Quality is always guaranteed.
This one has a beautiful grain. It's from our latest batch.